Did you know that we're related to plants?
Well, obviously. My name's Lily, and I'm wearing flowers.
Well, that's not all.
Then how?
Well, for starters, both plants and animals are alive, and we have very similar genetic makeup to some plants.
Oh, now I know what you mean. The bright colors on plants is like makeup.
Yeah, that's not what I meant, but sure. Like, we share roughly 50% of our DNA with bananas.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Additionally, both plants and animals have internal processes to supply energy to the organism. Plants have photosynthesis and animals have cellular respiration. And although they are inverses of each other, they share many similarities.
That's pretty cool.
In glycolysis, the first stage of cell respiration, energy is added to glucose and it eventually becomes glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, G3P. The final product of the common cycle in photosynthesis. Later in glycolysis, glucose becomes 3-phosphoglycerate 3-PG, which is also the first stable carbon chain in the Calvin cycle within plant cells. Pyruvate, which is created from glucose in glycolysis, is present in CAM and C4 plants. They are photosynthesizing plants. PEP, also known as phosphoenol pyruvate, is a stage of glucose in glycolysis and is also involved in separating oxygen from carbon dioxide in CAM and C4 plants.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
Yay!
There are even more similarities in another stage of cell respiration, the Krebs cycle. Pyruvate from glycolysis is transformed to create energy. Malate, which is present in the Krebs cycle, is also present in CAM and C4 plants. In animal cells, malate becomes oxaloacetate, and in CAM and C4 plants, oxaloacetate becomes malate. Both plant and animal cells have electron transport chains. They both use a mobile electron carrier called cytochrome C.
That sounds really important.
And finally, plant and animal cell proton gradients, which move hydrogen ions from higher concentrations to lower ones, generate ATP in a process known as chemiosmosis.
So does that mean I can grow leaves?
Well, no. No, you can't.
Thanks, Wabbit.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Take 20.
Something like that.
Energy to the organism. Plants have photosynthesis. That's not done!
My face.
The dish. Jiggles.
Lily, move over a little bit. Both of you look at the camera.
Well, obviously. I mean, my name's Lily, and I'm wearing flowers.
Well, that's not at all.
Then how?
Well, for starters, both plants and animals.
Okay, you have to go slower. You're saying it before I even hold it up, and then I'm behind.